Hey guys, welcome to the Alton Towers Hotel. Just going to give you a room review of a Arctic room, room 256 to be precise, at the Alton Towers Hotel. So let's go in. Me and my girlfriend booked to stay here over the 18th and to the 20th. So it's been on the opening weekend where the weather's been horrible, but now the rides are starting to open, and this is the second night we're having in this room. We actually booked an Explorer room and got upgraded to this room because they felt sorry for us not being able to do anything. So it's just a nice upgrade for us. So anyway, as you probably saw outside, you're in your own wing of the hotel, which is like that. Through there is the reception, and then that way is to the water park and other hotel. Right, so in the room we have tea and coffee facilities, which you can't really see very well because it's a bit dingy, but there's a kettle, 4 cups and biscuits and some tea and that, and they replenish them every day, which is great. Place to hang your coats up and shoe rack down there. There's a mini bar down here, which is nice. They don't stock it with anything. I think you can probably request it, but we just had some milk and some Capri Suns and some treats that we bought throughout the stay. Right, into the bathroom now. Square toilet. Not my personal preference because I don't like the square seat. It's not very comfortable on your arse. It's me! Hi! Sink's very nice. It's all very clean in here. These rooms were refurbished last year. They were standard Explorer rooms and they changed them to this Arctic theme. So you've got the shower here with this like eco thing. They're quite powerful and the temperature is really good on them, which is great. Got some seating through here. Now this like living area is actually quite big. You've got a large double bed here. It's all themed very nicely in here. I like this, like the lamps on the wall with the Arctic circle. You can see my girlfriend's bought the Wicker Man Monopoly set. So we're going to play that in a minute. That's theming on all the drawers and such, keeping with the Arctic. There is a giant polar bear in this room. This is Bernard, or Bernard, because it actually says on its paw, "My name is Bernard and I live in this amazing room. Please leave me here to continue to enjoy my adventure with Sir Algernon." So yeah, that's nice for the kids. We just had it there on the child's bed. So this room's great because it's basically like a family room. So instead of a bunk bed or 2 double beds, you have a single bed which can pull out into a double down there, which is always good. But there's only the 2 of us, so there's Louise setting up Monopoly. Say hi.
Reading the rules just in case they changed it.
Right, and then the TV's all disguised into the wall here. It's a smart TV, so you can actually connect your phone to it, which is really nice. Little area to do your makeup and such. And the view. We're on the very end of the run, which is great because we don't have people walking past our room.
Does mean we don't get a view.
Yeah. Yeah, it does mean we don't get a view. We're kind of over there. We see the staff bit outside. The room's actually really cosy. These rooms have air conditioning, which I don't think the standard Explorer rooms do. It's completely customizable, so you can just press your way through it. I don't know how well you can see, but you can put it up to like 30 odd degrees, and it's really effective, and it makes the room really cosy. There is a hairdryer in the drawer, which is actually a relatively good hairdryer, to be honest. So how would you review the hairdryer? 1 second.
It's better than my one at home that Luke bought me. It's actually more powerful.
Right, so overall, I would think this room is very nice, wouldn't you?
Yes, the carpet is very squishy.
Yeah, I forgot to say about the carpet. The carpet's like all designed really nicely, like. So yeah, that's the carpet, and it's like that outside. It's all like, you know, like footprints in the snow and that sort of thing, which I really like. Yeah, the bed's quite firm, but it's comfortable.
Yeah.
I think that's something to do with how
we can't really review the kids' bed because we're childless,
Yeah.
but it looks quite comfy.
Yeah, it's like it's a memory foam thing. Like if you're an adult, you're gonna probably find that quite uncomfy because it's really thin. Like, yeah, the curtains are made from a velvet material, which Louise absolutely hates. They keep the light out, great, which is brilliant, and the noise.
But we can't really say because we're right at the end.
Yeah, the noise in this end room is great. You can hear voices of people coming down the corridor. But that's because they're like talking or shouting really loudly.
But not enough.
But not enough to. Yeah, we got a good night's sleep, no interruptions. But like I say, our room is positioned perfectly at the end of the run, so literally no one has to come down this little like cul-de-sac. So yeah,
What would you give this out of 5?
This
from the stars.
This room, probably give it a 4. I think it's comfortable.
Yeah, I'd give it a 4.
4. Like compared to an Explorer room, like these are more expensive than an Explorer room.
It has aircon.
It has aircon, which the other rooms don't. Like,
and a better hairdryer.
And the TVs are nicer, I think. Like, to be honest, it depends. Like, because sometimes this room can be an extra 20 quid, sometimes it can be an extra 50 quid. So it's down to personal preference. I don't think the room's much bigger than any other room in the hotel. So if an Explorer room is what you want, go for an Explorer room. This is just a bit more themed.
Yeah.
Which is nice. And because it was snowing outside, it's great to have this snow effect, because the snow's like thawed out now, but it's just like great. We come from the freezing cold into the cold. Anyway, this has been the first Luke room review. I hope you enjoyed it. There'll be more to come, no doubt, because we're going to the Efteling in June and we're going to Disney World in September, so I've got a couple more hotels to review.
What hotels are they?
The Art of Animation at Walt Disney World and the Efteling Hotel at
Comfort Room.
the Efteling, Comfort Room. So see you later. Bye!